Welcome to Aquatics Live YouTube channel.
Alright guys, we're starting the next video here. I'm just gonna try to run through this pretty quick. Just gonna get all the like little pulleys and stuff stuck on there and throw on the head, and then we're gonna do a couple shorts. So want to get the head on there so we can do the degree wheel and just kind of see where the timing is on these ports of here. So after we get it all assembled, that's the plan. And then I also want to play around with the magneto here, get it set up, and we'll watch on one of the O scopes here. And I'm gonna probably just do shorts on those, one for the degree wheel, just for the initial timing of those ports, and then just a quick video of pulling up what the output looks like on the magneto. All right, let's get this put together. So start on this side. This is where the magneto goes. So you think here, this little guy here is the magnet. So let's say top dead center is right here. Get the rod all I pulled up. Then that means essentially that's right when it should fire, and then the firing should happen on this magnet side here, or well, it doesn't matter, but on one of the poles. So looks like that's the right way to do it. This way it would be kind of like sideways. So I put it on like that. Just drop. I think we got it. Let me check the keys in there. Yep, that's in the hole. All right, let's get this baby put together. All right, yeah. So washer, nut. I think that's all this one had. Shoot. Grab a socket again. I think that's how I did this last time. Put that there. Yep. It's probably going to turn into a longer video than I wanted. Oh well. All right, get that in. I'll get this little gear on. Oh, that doesn't go here. Oh, this one goes here. So that's a little bicycle sprocket part. That goes on there. And all the little lock washers. And the nut. And I got my impact here. Here we go. Ow. That hurt. Alright. A couple of the teeth here. Alright. I think that's all we got. Oh yeah. Hold on. I get this put on here. Yeah, there we go. Do like the lawnmower method. Put some business cards in there. Turn it like this, so it goes in there. So I'm gonna kind of like prep this, put these two in here, like so, and I'll just drop it in there. Stand up. Yeah, I just kind of went around the circle to make sure they're kind of even. There we go. All right, that part's done. Got both the pieces on this side done. All right, let's get the other side done. All right. Okay. Oh yeah, here's the clutch. Um, I did these off camera. These are the little clutch pads. The old ones were these like pink ones, and they were all broken and stuff. So I got like 3 little bags of these for $7 on Amazon. So the only thing that's kind of a pain is they come and they're bigger than the holes. So I had to spend quite a while getting them all sanded down so then they fit in the holes nice and smoothly. And you can push on them and they touch the pressure plate on the back. That was a big piece was, yeah, I could get them all in there, but did they move freely enough in there to push on the pressure plate? So that took quite a while to get them adjusted to the right uh, pressure so that they can get pushed through. Because yeah, this is just what's pushing on it. The actual friction side is on the back side in here. So if these are stuck in any one of these holes, then you're going to get very limited clutch engagement. So I just made sure that they were really sliding into the holes properly. I think that's kind of something when you get the kit you're going to have to always do is take this apart and fix these. All right, so little lock washer on there, and we'll put the nut. And we're just going to impact this down. All right, you. Yep. Okay. Essentially, that's kind of the test: is push on one, make sure it rotates the center with it. Pressure plate's locking up. Okay. Comes the little spring, and then the pressure plate here. Just gonna get the flower nut just barely started on there, and then plan is go to the back side here and put the clutch cover on so we can tighten that flower nut up real quick. We do final assembly because I'm just going to take this back off. And I'm using a Torx deal instead of a regular Allen wrench. Not that it matters really, but it kind of keeps it locks into these Allen head bolts a little bit better than some of the than some of the actual Allen wrenches do. This is all aluminum, so it's not that big of a deal. And not putting these in super tight, just enough so I can use the clutch. Also, don't want to strip them out by putting them not far enough either. All right, so now we pull in the clutch lever, and that engages this, so we can push this down and spin in the flower nut. Alright. Trying to make a short video, it's going to turn into a long video here. Yeah, I think we're good. My idea is that this kind of is like level with this here. There's this little post and it's going to pull towards it. I just want to make sure that it's functioning and that we're not like pulling on anything. And I made a screw for this off camera. It's just an Allen head one. I didn't like that little tiny Phillips that was in there. This one has a nice little round head that engages with the flower nut real well. I just took it was longer, I just shortened it up to make sure it wouldn't hit. There we go. And that just locks the flower nut here from moving. I think we're good to go. I pull the clutch, spins freely. It's not coming off of any of these pegs. I think we're good. Oh yeah, let's get the drive gear here put in. So yeah, the big side goes down. There's a skip in here. That's where the removal tool fits right here. All right, let's get the screw in. We're almost coming up here. Almost got her. Let's get something to, okay. Yes, we want to tighten, so we'll just stick a cog in the gears. I think we're good. Alright. Dookie. Do the little make sure she's working. Yeah. I'm gonna get her to top dead center here. And oh yeah, let's pop the piston on. We're gonna throw the cylinder on quick and then we're gonna call her done. And I don't know if I'm doing I didn't like those little wire retainer ones that comes with it. So I'm using regular lock ring style ones. I'm hoping it doesn't mess up, but I just think it'll be a little bit better. Alright, well, of course later we'll lube this up more. Just right now we can put a little bit of grease on this bearing. Just a tiny bit, since we're going to be rotating the motor over. And I've been lubing that bottom one there, so get it in there. And then, cool. Got her in there. Okay. Well, let's hopefully we can get this lock ring in without too much craziness. Snap ring, sorry. Alright. Alright, cool, we're in. Okie dokie. I got her in there. Ready to go. Throw the jug on, and then we're gonna call her good for now. Then I'll do those short videos I was talking to you about. All right, so exhaust is on the front, and I got the gaskets already on here. So I'm just gonna get it dropped down there, and then I'm gonna put in 2 bolts diagonal. There we go. Yeah, that's right where I was hoping. Piston's right at the top, kind of crowning over a little bit. That's right about perfect. From what I've seen on videos anyway. Alright. I made a little piece of aluminum with 2 holes. I got a little glob of heat hot glue in the middle, so the piston has something kind of soft to push against, but it's hard enough that it'll be a good piston stop. So I got to rotate it down just a little bit here. I'll drop this on. And then I needed some washers for these studs are a little bit, have a area where there's no threads on it. At least that's the plan. Kind of haven't gone through and didn't test this ahead of time, so I hope this works. In the short, I'm just gonna have like music playing and then post up the timing on it. Okay. Yeah, we'll crank it down with a 14 just to give it a little bit of pressure on that base gasket, and we'll call it good. So I'll kind of talk this through real quick, but so we'll rotate the motor once it goes to top dead center. It tries to go to top dead center, it hits the stop. We rotate it back all the way around so it goes to the bottom, and then it'll come back up again. So there's a and then the timing from when it hits there to the back to the bottom and then back up, that's your full rotation there. So all right, I think we're good. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.